Hi, this is an introduction to algebra. The first thing to understand is expansions. I have three example ones here. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A plus b by a minus b, multiplying out the terms in order. So a by a is a squared, a by minus b gives you minus ab, b by a gives you ab, and b by minus b gives you minus b squared. Minus ab and ab cancel, so you have a squared minus b squared. Similarly, x plus a by x minus b equals x squared plus a plus bx plus ab. Now, as an example of using the second equation here, 101 squared minus 99 squared over 51 squared minus 49 squared. For each of the difference of squares, like here, we can just take the sum by the difference. So the sum is 200, the difference is 2, and the sum here is 100 by 2. Cancelling terms gives 2. Moving on to the modulus. The meaning of the modulus signs here is just to take away the sign. So the modulus of minus 2 is 2. An example polynomial can be expressed as y equals f of x, which means function of x, or calculated by a formula using x. In this case, ax squared plus bx plus c, where the polynomial is of second order because of the power of 2, and the coefficients or constant terms are a, b and c. An important point to note is that you're not allowed to divide by 0. So if, for example, we have x squared minus 1 over x plus 1, we can take the difference of squares to expand this to get x plus 1 by x minus 1 over x plus 1. Cancelling the x plus 1s gives x minus 1, so long as the bottom term is not 0, which means that x cannot be minus 1. The common problem is to solve simultaneous equations. The important points are you can do the same operation to each side of the equation, and you can move one item from one side to the other so long as you change the sign. So, for example, to solve the two simultaneous equations, x plus y equals 3 and 2x minus 3y equals 1, we first need to find y in terms of x for each equation. So looking at the second equation, we can move the 3y to one side by itself, and the 1 to the other side, changing its sign. So we get 3y equals 2x minus 1. Dividing by 3 gives y equals 2x over 3 minus a third. But from the first equation, we can get y equals 3 minus x. X minus 3. So now, just looking at the second part here with just x in it, as we've eliminated the y, we can multiply by 3 to get 2x minus 1 equals minus 3x plus 9. Then moving the minus 3x to the other side, changing the sign, gives 5x. The minus 1 goes to the other side, changing sign, gives a 1. Adding to the 9 gives 10. So 5x equals 10, x equals 2. So if x equals 2, we put 2 in here and we get x equals 3 minus 2 equals 1. So the solution to the problem is xy equals 2 from here and 1. To learn a lot more quickly, I suggest you look at the examples provided at autotutor.com.au. Thank you.